Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to Articulate, where we talk about eco-friendly home decor tips and tricks and ideas and so much more. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about another 3 amazing product under $5 that you can purchase from the Amazon. I'm going to leave all the link of these products in the description box below. You can very well check it out if you are interested in that. So let's talk about these 3 amazing products and their features and the much more about it. So let's dive in. Before we go past, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, you can check our website. That's at www.articulori.com. The link is in description box below, where you can get the high quality affordable art for decorating your home. You can also get the art posters, frame art prints, and so much more from our website. You can check our website. The link is in description box below. So let's talk about these 3 products that you can purchase on the Amazon under $5, and they're pretty amazing. So let's talk about what these products are. These are high quality, affordable, on budget product. The first product that I have for you is home signs for home decor. Wood home sign, home heart, rustic wall decor, sweet farmhouse wood wall sign decoration wood lighter. So it's a home sign that's made from the wood, so it's also an eco-friendly. It's $4.49. You can get the different colors in that: the rustic color, the classic color, the natural color, the stylish color, and trendy color. So these are the different colors. Let's talk about what this item is all about and how you can do and purchase it. Warm wood sign, the rustic wool decor features a wooden background that is printed with a 3D home. So it's printed with a 3D home that's going to look amazing on a wood. The letter O is placed with a heart shape, and shape is an irregular polygon which looks very delicate and warm, creating a full family atmosphere. Natural material, the farmhouse home sign is made of the wood that is close to nature. Of course, it's made from the wood, so it's eco-friendly, which is odorless and not easy to get corroded. You can also keep for a long time as equestrian home decor, making your home look more modern and graceful. Size, the wood size is 14 to 16 centimeter. Of course, you can go further and check it out. Wide occasions, the back of this wall art sign is intimately designed with 2 hooks, which is suitable for living room, bedroom, kitchen, office, hotel, dining room, bathroom, bar decor. So that's a huge plus point that you can decorate anywhere in your home. Delicate gift featuring rustic style and home letters printing. The sweet home sign can be sent to your boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, husband, daughter, son, teachers, or others for the Christmas, New Year, Thanksgiving, Valentine's holiday. So that's pretty amazing. You can check the much details about the size and much things about it. Wide range of usage. It has the 2 hooks, which is suitable for any kind of wall hanging wherever you're hanging it. It's a delicate gift. It's a material is the wood, and it's pretty much about it. Let's talk about the second product that we have for you, which is under. The product is also amazing. It's a Macrame wall hanging bolo chic woven tapestry cream beige Christmas tree tassel art hand woven wall decor for apartment, dorm, living room, bedroom, gallery, home office decorations. It's a Macrame wall hanging that's pretty amazing. It looks pretty amazing. So let's talk about more. You can get the different colors in that, different patterns in that, but the tapestry one is $4.07. So rate is $4.07. It go above $5. So I'm not gonna be going into that. So let's talk about the description about this product, what it's made up of, and how you can use it. Beautiful wall hanging Macrame wall decorations are perfect wall art and indispensable decoration for home with equestrian workmanship. This Christmas tree boho tapestry dotted with colorful stars is matched with Bain yarn, rich and beautiful, super dreamy, handcraft wall decoration filled with the boho and Christmas atmosphere. Handmade weaving ornaments use natural materials, revealing minimalism, create a relaxed feel in the room. Super quality. Now, what's 100% handmade? That's pretty amazing. The cute room decor consists of natural cotton threads and cotton lace. So it's made from the cotton threads and cotton lace, which is eco-friendly, no smells, natural material, which is renovable and biodegradable. Pretty amazing. Help dream catchers stay bright for years to come and never fade, even hung for a long time. So that's amazing. Now, it can be used for various occasions, and you could use it for the boho home decor, also for the minimalism style, decorative your home, kids room, living room, office, bedroom, baby rent, dorm room, sitting room. So there are a bunch of the places in your home where you can place this particular wall hanging, and it's made from the cotton, so it's home decor, eco-friendly as well. Native American decor of original Bohemian decor creates the unique art style that is classic and stylish. Wall hanging is not just your best choice for home decoration, but are also lovely gifts for friends, parents, partners, and gifts as their Christmas, Valentine's, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, Children's Day, Christmas, and a lot more stuff is there. You can very well check out the link of this particular product. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. It's made from the natural cotton, so that is extracted from the plant, that's extracted from the cotton flower. So it's an eco-friendly, highly eco-friendly. It's not made from the wool, guys. It's made from the plant product, so it's highly eco-friendly. Natural cotton yarn with temperature regulation, anti-allergy and anti-static environmental protection, bacteriostasis, no smell, manual weaving, decorative pendants. So that's pretty amazing. You can get much more depth into about this product and you can purchase it. Let's talk about the last product of this video. That's the third and the last. That's under $5. Pretty amazing. All third and last product is lavender flower vase for decor, geometric, small, narrow neck, flower, glass, floral vase decoration for living room. So it's a floral vase decoration for living room, office, and parties. It cost you $4.99. It has two colors, the blue and the gray. Blue and gray, and it cost $4.99. So let's talk about the material and all. Glass material made of high quality glass with blue color painted imitation porcelain design. So it's made from the glass, so it's also eco-friendly. Cute design, ideal garden decoration, patio decoration, gift, home decor, office decor, designed by talented artists. This mini hanging planter vase is perfect for succulents and flowers. If you're looking for decorating your home with the small plants, with the small flowers or succulents, then this vase is exactly for you. Multi-purpose ceramic vase, so it's made from the ceramic as well. So it's an eco-friendly, ideal for living room, office, meeting room, parties, wedding, or other special occasions. Lovely gift. Our cute small air planter is a sweet gift for family and kids. Also, it can serve a variety of purposes, adding vitality and fresh appearance to your space and have a beautiful mood. Patio decoration, gift, home decor, office decor, cute design, patio decoration, home decor. It's a really cute, guys. And multi-purpose ceramic vase, gift, glass material, high quality glass with gray color painted imitation porcelain designs. It says it's a two color, blue and gray. So if you're going with the blue, then obviously you will be painted with the blue, and if you're going with the gray, it's painted with the gray. The manufacturer, and you can contact them. Sign this ceramic vase for decorating your flowers and plants and all that. Do let me know in the comment section below. Do you want more such video regarding under $5 on the Amazon amazing home decor items? I would really love to make more such video. But that's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.